Up to now, we have been exploring LS Central, the retail part of it. LS Central is so much more. It is rich in functionality and very flexible, as you have seen already. Part of LS Central is the hospitality solution. In the following sessions, we are taking some time to explore the hospitality part of the solution, the part that supports food and beverage service. Now we have the question, what kind of a food and beverage service does LS Central support? The answer is that LS Central supports different types of food and beverage service. It supports cafes, pubs, bars, different types of restaurants, as quick service, fine dining, and table service. All these scenarios and much more. Remember that LS Central supports retail and hospitality. Very flexible in setup, and it is easy to add in, for example, coffee shop for retailer when needed. We know about several retailers that might be a typical retailer, but then they have a cafe as well. For example, department stores, garden centers, and etc. When they want to establish a cafe, they can use the same solution, since LS Central supports both retail and hospitality in one setup. Remember this when you're doing demos, when you're selling the solution, that LS Central is flexible, one solution for both retail and hospitality. The hospitality part is rich in functionality, as the retail part is. We have lots of different functionality that the food and beverage business needs, as recipes that are widely used in hospitality. Modifiers as well, for example, item modifiers, time modifiers, and tax modifiers. We will see how these works in the solution. And table management and much more. A proper restaurant has a proper kitchen as well. The restaurant POS has to be able to send orders to the kitchen and monitor how the kitchen is doing. Are the orders being processed and even finished? LS Central supports kitchen functionality as well, with the use of our kitchen display system or kitchen display service. We will look at this functionality as well. And of course, the member management or loyalty customers work as well in the hospitality POS as it does in the retail POS. Very importantly, LS Central is one solution that has both retail and hospitality in the base. Additionally, there are other modules as pharmacy, forecourt, and hotel. The solution supports different types of food and beverage setups, as fine dining, casual dining, quick service restaurants with drive-through, coffee shops, cafeterias, bars, pubs, and call center with delivery and takeout. So let's look in the following sessions at some of this functionality and see how it all works so well together.